In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell funnels on Upwork.com. So with this strategy, you can make all the way up to $62 per hour. So if you don't know what Upwork.com is, this is where you can hire freelancers to like design a logo, to design a website, to write you an article. There's all types of different jobs in here. And one of the best jobs is to design funnels. And it's really easy to design a funnel. And I'm going to show you how to do that with ClickFunnels. So if you don't already have a 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels, there'll be a link in the description below. So you can see here that you can, this guy's charging $54 an hour to design a shopping cart funnel. This guy's charging $125 an hour to make a Facebook ads funnel. This is a sales funnel for $80 per hour. And there's all types of different funnels that you can do. And I'm going to show you how to build your own funnel and sell it to people on Upwork.com. The first thing you need to do is just sign up to Upwork.com, which is free, and just make sure your account is as a worker. So that there's two different options you get. One is to hire people, the other one is to actually look for jobs. So you'll be looking for jobs, and just make sure your funnel could be anything. So you can just say it's a sales funnel, or you can build e-commerce funnels, or local businesses business funnels. And now, once you make all of that, now you instantly start getting all these new jobs. And you can also go look for other jobs and just say, hey, I can build a funnel for you. And just make sure you charge them anywhere between $40 to $60 an hour. So you can actually compete with these people here. So most of these guys, on average, it's about $80 an hour. So if you're going to charge like half of that, then you can easily get a job. So once you've done that, they'll ask you, to give you like a fitness funnel or a sales funnel for like a certain local business. And I'm going to use the fitness niche as an example, or maybe I'll use the yoga niche as an example. So what I'll do is I go to ClickFunnels and I click on Add New, and I click on Create New Funnel. And I'll click on Collect Emails, and I'll name this funnel Yoga. And I'll click on Build Funnel. So it really depends on what they ask. They'll actually detail all the things that they want, all the headlines that they want, and make sure you ask them as well. So there's all types of different templates here that's already built into the funnel, but through ClickFunnels. So you don't need to sit there building all these new things. So let's say it's a business for, it's a yoga business that we're trying to do. So what I'm going to do is, first thing is I'm going to click on Select Template. And I'm going to click on Edit Page. So this brings up the page, but that we can edit. So first thing is I'm going to replace this image with like a yoga image. So I'm going to click on this image and click on the image icon right here. And I'm going to click on search at the top. So I'm just going to search up yoga. So right here, these are all copyright free images that you can take from ClickFunnels. So these are all copyright free, and no one can give you a copyright strike for these images. So what I'm going to do is maybe choose this one here and click on add image. So there's the image there, and I might get rid of this logo right here at the top. And I'm going to say discover how to lose weight with yoga, or something like that. And for the sub headline, I might say, excuse me, just sneezed. For the sub headline, I'll say free training available for a limited time. And you could also say you'll be surprised on how easy and effective. So that's a pretty good line, so I'm going to leave that there. So that's a good image, and you can, if you want to get rid of these things at the bottom, just click on delete right here and it'll get rid of that. And you can put some testimonials here if you wanted to, and that's about it. So that's just one page of the funnel done that quick. So now you just hit save. And right here, it just asks for people's name and their email. So let's say you want the person that you're trying to sell the funnel to also wants their phone number. So just click on Add New Element, and I'm going to scroll down here. Maybe I'll, right here, I'm going to click on Input. Right here on this one, I'll say this one is for phone number. So right here, I'll set it up on phone number, and I'll say this is a required field. So if they forget to fill out this part right here, I'll say, hey, you forgot to fill out the phone number part right here, and I'll just say your phone number here. So I'll just type in your phone number here. So it looks good. So now people just enter their name, their phone number, and their email, and the business can actually call them up and say, hey, here's a free training for you, or here's how much we charge, and they can make money from this. So now I'm going to click on save, and now we need to do a thank you page. So I'm going to go back to exit, and I'm going to go to the thank you page right here. So it says, we'll just say thank you for signing up, and it'll just say we'll call you soon, or we'll be in contact with you soon, or something like that. So let's choose the thank you page here. So let's choose this one, and I'm going to click on edit page. So for this one, I'll just say thank you. We will call you soon, or something like that. Say we will call you soon. And I'll just say on the button right here, I'll just say go to our website, or just say instant access to or get access to download your free training, something like that. Free training. So that looks good. That's a good thank you page. So if I hit save, and I'll hit go back, and I'll go to the opt-in page, and I'm going to hit preview, and let's see if this works. So what I'm going to do is hit the put my name there, and I'm going to put my phone number there, and I'm going to click on submit, and it says thank you, we will call you soon. So that's how easy it is. It's nice and simple, and you now pretty much go to Upwork now, and you sell this funnel. So let's go to upwork.com, and let's look for a job. So pretty much it says find freelancers right here and find jobs. So I'm going to look for jobs, and I'm just going to search up funnel, and I'm going to hit search, and this will come up with a whole bunch of jobs for funnels. So let's look these up. It says ClickFunnels and Facebook advertising. There you go. So it says it usually says how much they will give you for this and all that, or you can actually ask them. I charge $40 per hour, $20 per hour, whatever it is. But all you need to do is just, what I would probably do is I would actually build the funnel, go have a look at actually what they want, and actually build the funnel for them, and just tell them, hey, I've already built a funnel that looks exactly like this, and I'll give you the funnel for $200 or $500 or whatever it is. And you can easily get started with this, because it clearly says ClickFunnels and Facebook advertising, so they probably don't know how to do it. So you can easily learn ClickFunnels just from this one video. I created a very simple funnel that you can sell for $100 if you wanted to.